Hi and welcome you to our today's video. Previously, we launched a video showing you how the portal or the new income tax portal look like. And after that, so many people complained that the new income tax portal was not working. See, basically the government wanted all of us to visit the portal and not to start working. And there were so many people visiting the site. Previously, we shown that about 6 crore people just visited within few hours, and that's why the website got crashed. And it was down for almost 2 days. And today is 8:41 p.m. 10 June 2021. And just today, the website is still running fine. And we will show you how to file the ITR 1 and ITR 4 respectively. So as you can see, this is the new portal or the new look of this portal, and the URL address for this is the incometax.gov.in/IES/FO portal. So in this portal, if we see the profile and some image advertisements. Here we see that they are providing services or success enablers and so many things. See, there are so many things given in this dialog boxes. You can use these features now efficiently and more easily. So if we just go and click here, you can see, do you have an account? If not, you can register, and if you have an account, you can just log in. So if we will click in login, and so it is the login page. Now we will input the PAN number, see, after we click continue, here comes the password portion. Here you have to just click in this box which says please confirm your secure access message. Here we click password. See, here is my name. My profile status is 75% complete. If I need to upload any details, I can just update my profile or I can skip it. So this is my dashboard. Okay. Now if I want to file my IT return for the assessment year 2021 and 2022, I will just click here, or here is the and here is the menu. You can see here is dashboard, e-file options, authorized partner services, and so many other options. If I want, I can also choose the dark mode. See this dark mode looks very cool. We will continue with this dark mode as I like this dark mode now. Okay, we will choose file now. And if you have any questions related to these boxes, you can ask me later. So before we begin, I have to just clear one point. This year the finance minister has told us that we will have to just fill some MCQs and we will file our IT return in a most simpler manner. So here we will choose the assessment year, and then we will choose continue. So it is asking us to select the mode of filing, online or offline. See, in offline you can use the JSON facility which is released few months back. So we will choose just online. So previously I just put this one as a draft. So I'll click the resume filing, or you can just see that start new filing. Okay, something went wrong. We will choose start new filing. See, in this I said we have to fill some MCQs. So it asks first, please select the status and applicability to you to proceed further. So what I am, an individual, HUF. HUF stands for Hindu Undivided Family, and others. We will choose individual. Then continue. Which ITR form I need to fill up? Now it is currently available. Currently available as ITR 1 and ITR 4. We will choose the ITR 4. For any salaried person, they can choose ITR 1, and for any business or profession related presumptive tax related ITR forms, it is ITR 4. So we will proceed with ITR 4. So steps are given here. The first step, validate your return. Second step, confirm return summary. And third, verify and submit return. So let's get started. See, in this dialog box, you can see the document list to help you file faster. So many things are given, that form 16, house rents receipt, all these things you can keep by your side to help you file your ITR easily. Now let's get started. So it will ask, please answer the following question. Are you filing the income tax return for any of the following reasons? First, the taxable income is more than basic exemption limit. Filing return of income tax mentioned condition as per 7th provision of section. So while you are filing your income tax return, you must have a basic idea of these sections and income tax rules and regulations, for which you can check the e-filing homepage, where you can find the rules and regulations and sections which will help you understand these numbers, like section 139(1) clause. We'll choose others. Continue. See, here is the pre-filled informations which will help us during our income tax return. Some personal information, that my PAN card number, gross total income, and all such things. First we will select personal information. See, in this it is asking me, are you going for new tax regime? I'll say no. See, this depends upon the tax calculation. Before you set up, you can use the tax calculator of the income tax web portal, where you can calculate whether it is profitable for you to go in the new tax regime or the old tax regime. In the new tax regime, you will not get any deductions, and in the previous web portal, in the old tax regime, you can claim all deductions. Here it is asking me whether I am filing this return by any representative SSE, yes or no. So I am filing by my own self. So I am filing by my own, so it is no. Bank details. Then I will say confirm. So now we've selected the gross total income. My personal information has been filled successfully. Now it came for gross total income. So here I will fill my gross total income like gross salary, income from house property if I have any, income from business and professions if I have any, income from other sources if I have any. When I will click at confirm, it will take me to disclosure. And after that I will fill all the total deductions as per the old tax regime. In the fifth step, it will show whether I am eligible for any taxation to be paid or I am just exempted from paying any tax. And after that, it will show a total, a full preview of the form. In the second step, it will show me confirm your return summary. And the third step, when I will confirm, as per the previous time, we have to just click the preview option. We have to go through the forms we have filled up. And in the third steps, we have to just verify and submit. First we will submit and then we will verify. And if we need, we can do it that e-verification also. But for the best thing, I will say that don't just start filling your ITR form right now. Wait for at least 2 to 3 days more. You can't say that how this process is going to be. You can see that right now also I have just stopped my filing procedure just because I think that there may be a few problem in this new website also. That's why I just stopped. I am just giving you the basic idea how it will work. I have just seen all the steps. So what I recommend is that wait for 2 to 3 days more and then file your respective ITR. You may fill ITR 1 and ITR 4 just now. And after 18th June, I think the government has told you can file ITR 3, ITR 2 and ITR 5, 6, etc. After 18th of June. Okay. So this video is up to this. I am also not filing my ITR right now because there might be a few glitches in the website. While I was using this website, I found few drawbacks in this. So I thought that the government will go through this website again and may reconstruct these bugs and fix this problem. As soon as the government clear all these bugs and fixes this problem, I will make another video and I will go through all these processes and show you how to file this return. You may find many YouTubers or many tax consultant has shown you how to file, but what I recommend for at least my case, please wait 2 to 3 days and after that you just file your ITR forms. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe our channel and do share with someone for whom you think this video can be useful enough.